The world of tools is constantly evolving, with new inventions designed to make our lives easier and more efficient. Whether you're a professional contractor, a DIY enthusiast, or someone who just likes to have the right tools for the job, there's always something new to discover. If you're looking for some inspiration, then this video is a great place to start. Viper Vacuum Scraper. The Viper Scraper is a handy tool that combines scraping with vacuum for a mess-free experience. It's particularly useful for paint removal tasks. The vacuum attachment connects directly to your shop vacuum's hose, sucking up dust and debris as you scrape. This eliminates the need for a separate cleanup step. It's lightweight and has a textured grip for comfortable use during long projects. Made from tungsten carbide, the blade is known for its sharpness and longevity. It's also reversible, so you can double its lifespan. Artec Leo. Artec Leo is a wireless handheld 3D scanner that stands out for its ease of use and portability. Unlike many 3D scanners, Leo doesn't require a computer or cables for operation. It has a built-in battery and processor for real-time 3D capture. Leo uses artificial intelligence to streamline the scanning process and generate high-quality 3D models. The scanner is designed to be easy to use, with a workflow similar to taking a video. And you can see the 3D model being built on the scanner's touchscreen display as you scan. Enar VIB-BAR E-BATT. The Enar VIB-BAR E-BATT is a portable electric concrete vibrator that runs on a battery. This makes it convenient to use in areas without access to a power outlet, reducing the risk of electrical hazards on construction sites. Since it eliminates the need for a power outlet, it makes it more versatile. The shaft can be disassembled for even greater portability and ease of transport, and it has a shoulder strap for comfortable use during extended periods, reducing discomfort from the user. Wood Splitter Chekan Rex. A manual wood splitter Chekan Rex is a tool used to split logs for firewood or other purposes. It typically consists of a base, a wedge, and a handle. The user places the log on the base and then strikes the wedge with the handle, which causes the log to split. There are many different types of manual wood splitters available, and the Chekan Rex is one of them. Some factors to consider when choosing a manual wood splitter include the size of the logs you'll be splitting, the amount of force you can generate, and of course, your budget. EZG Manufacturing. The EZG Manufacturing PM1 Air and Grip Hog Vacuum are separate tools designed to help lift and move materials on a job site. But they use different mechanisms for achieving this. The PM1 Air is a lifter specifically designed for pavers, which are interlocking concrete stones used for creating patios, walkways, and driveways. It uses a compressed air-powered mechanism to create suction on a flat lifting pad. The standard PM1 Air comes with a 6 by 8 inches memory foam pad, but it can be equipped with different pads depending on the size and material of the pavers you need to move. The PM1 Air is designed for one-person operation and has a lifting capacity of up to 75 pounds. This makes it a handy tool for contractors who need to move pavers quickly and efficiently without the need for a second person. RUNPOTEC Cable Corner Rollers. RUNPOTEC Cable Corner Rollers are industrial-grade tools designed to smoothen the process of pulling cables around corners and edges. They are particularly useful for applications where minimizing friction and protecting cables are crucial. These rollers are specifically designed for a 90-degree bend, ideal for guiding cables around corners. They are built with a robust steel frame and high-quality aluminum rollers for strength and longevity. The rollers feature stainless steel ball bearings, which minimize friction during cable pulling, reducing wear and tear on the cable. These rollers can handle heavy loads, typically up to 1,500 kilograms. Mingo Marker. The Mingo Marker is a tool specifically designed to help you measure and mark firewood for cutting. It's essentially a marking wheel with preset increments, typically 14, 16, 18, or 24 inches that you roll along the log to mark the desired cutting length. It saves you time and effort by ensuring consistent cut lengths throughout your firewood pile. By marking your cuts accurately, you avoid having too much short or long firewood. The paint can even mark snow-covered wood. Evenly sized logs stack up more efficiently and take up less space. Stair Climbing Hand Truck. XSTO Stair Climbing Hand Truck is a motorized hand truck designed to help you transport heavy goods up and down stairs. It is a great option for people who need to move appliances, furniture, or other bulky items without damaging their backs or risking injury. Hand trucks are available in a variety of models with different weight capacities. The most popular model, the ZW7200G, can handle loads up to 440 pounds. They are also equipped with an automatic edge brake system to ensure safety. The stair climbers have rubber tracks that help to protect your floors from scratches and damage. Schleiferl Light. The Schleiferl Light is a lightweight chainsaw sharpener made by Bust-Inge. Unlike many sharpeners that use fixed files, the Schleiferl Light uses a grinding belt to sharpen the saw teeth. This is claimed to be a faster and potentially more consistent way to sharpen the chain. As the name suggests, the Schleiferl Light is designed to be easy to handle and maneuver. This is important because sharpening chainsaw teeth can be tiring if the tool is too heavy. The design of the Schleiferl Light is said to make it easy to maintain the correct sharpening angle, reducing the chance of errors. IML RESI F Series. The F-Series is a wood testing drill that measures the quality of the internal state of the wood by recording the drill resistance of the needle penetrating the wood product. This data is collected and printed on a wax paper strip. The F-Series is used in a variety of applications, including tree care and inspection to maintain safe parks, roadways and forests, checking the stability of utility poles, diagnosing decay in wooden playground equipment as required by law, and inspecting structural wood in timbered houses, bridges, and buildings on stilts for vulnerabilities and safety risks. Enerpac Hydraulic Pumps SC Series. The SC Series are cordless, battery-powered hydraulic pumps designed for portability and precision. They are ideal for working in confined spaces where maneuverability with hoses and extension cords can be difficult. The SC Series pumps are designed to be easy to carry and use in tight spaces. No need for extension cords, air hoses, or noisy generators. The brushless motor provides enough flow rate and pressure to complete tasks quickly and efficiently. The S-Series pumps are ideal for lifting, alignment, and other applications requiring precise control. GlobMarble Rollers. GlobMarble Rollers are tools specifically designed for creating stamped concrete finishes. They are not paint rollers, but rather rolling imprints that leave a textured design on freshly poured concrete. Glob Marbles offers a variety of roller designs to create different finishes, like slate or stone. These are the core product and come in various designs to create different textures on concrete. Glob Marbles offers options for replicating brick, slate, cobblestone, natural stone, and even more.